Hello, I'm teacher Ivan from Wunna Educational Services. I welcome you to this particular lesson where we are continuing with our first set of O-level mathematics revision questions, and basically we are looking at section A numbers. So we shall be doing several numbers. We work out together, and I leave you a trial question which you will be required to work out and comment with the answer. But first of all, please subscribe and hit the bell so that you get posted whenever we have a new video for you. Share with the classmates, friends, colleagues, family members, and like. Otherwise, let us look at number 8 of our first question revisions. So number 8 says, given that t equals to 2 pi into the root of L over g, then we are required to make g the subject and hence find g if t is 4 pi and L is 13.5. So this is a particular topic which talks about formula, and it is mainly talking about change of subject of the formula. So this is what we have to know when it comes to change of the subject of the formula. 1. During that process of changing the subject of the formula, the subject or the new subject, in this case our new subject will be g, must be arranged on one side alone, or must appear alone on one side of the equation and the others on the other side. That's how we make it the subject. However, there are procedures that we go through as we shall see them. So we shall say from t equaling to 2 pi into the root of L over g, we are in the process of making g the subject. In that process, we shall first of all take the easier terms on the other side. That is, we have a term outside the root. The root is acting as a fence around these two. So it's better we first take what is outside the fence, that is by dividing. Since it is multiplying, multiplication goes with the division. We divide on both sides, and now this one will cancel out, so that we get t over 2 pi equaling to L over g under a root. And since the root is acting as a fence or a defensive mechanism for L and g, we first break it out. We can break that out by squaring, and whatever we do on this side must be done on the other side as well. That reduces with that, and we shall come up with the square is on both the numerator and denominator. That is t squared over, when we square this we get 4 pi squared equaling to L over g. Now that we have broken the defensive mechanism, we can make g the subject by first of all cross multiplying. So that is t squared g equaling to 4 pi squared L. Now that we need g, we take away the t squared by dividing, so that our g equals to 4 pi squared L over t squared. So that is how we make a g the subject. And now we have hence g equals to, we are given the values of L and t. So in the question, t is 4 pi and L is 13.5. So we substitute in our final equation. So that is 4 pi squared into 13.5 over t squared, which is 4 pi but squared. So that gives us, let us conclude, our G will be 4 pi squared into 13.5 over, when we square this we get 16 pi squared. So the pi squared will cancel out, 4 will reduce 16 to 4, and we end up with the G as 13.5 over 4. So we can get the calculator and reduce. Good enough. We are not given specific DPs, that's decimal points or significant figures, so we can take it to the nearest 3 or 2 decimal places. So that is number 8. However, I'll leave you with a trial number, and this is your trial number. It says make V the subject of 1 over F equaling to 1 over U plus 1 over V. So we are making V the subject. Try it out and comment with your answer. Otherwise, I'm teacher Ivan from Wuuna Educational Services. I request you to subscribe to all our YouTube channels, like, comment, and most importantly, share with the classmates. We are all over the social media platforms, so please search for Wuuna Educational Services on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and join the academic family. I hope to see you very soon. Bye bye.